Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video of our Excel Mastery series. If you ever started at the spreadsheet and thought, wait, what do I even do here? Don't worry, you are not alone. So by the end of this series, you will be an Excel wizard ready to organize, calculate, and even visualize data like a pro. So what is Excel anyway? That is what we are looking into even this day. We want to look at to have an understanding of what is Excel and why does Excel matters? Why is it important? Why do we need it? So Excel is a spreadsheet tool that helps you to manage numbers, analyze data, and make decisions even faster. So think of it as your super smart digital notebook that can do maths, that can create charts, or even predict the trends. And what you can say is that people use it in business, school, finance, marketing, you name it. Just basically, if data is involved, then I can tell you that Excel in that case matters a lot. So, and here, the fun part, we are going to start from scratch. No confusing jargon, no boring lectures, just real practical skills you can use today. So we'll grow from basic spreadsheet to advanced dashboard and everything in between. So before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that like button if you are ready to master Excel, and two, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss on any single video of this series. And don't forget to share with your friends, your classmates, your co-workers, because everyone can use a little Excel. All right. The next thing is that why it matters. Why is this particular Excel? Why does it matter? Or why is it important? How is it important? Yes. So that is the next thing that we are looking into. Why is this particular Excel so important? One is that it helps us in data organization. How does it help in data organization? It helps us install large amount of data in rows and columns. Excel is made up of rows and columns. As you can see in this particular, what I have here is that it's made up of rows and columns. Let me use something. So what we are seeing here, there is rows, and what we have here is columns, for example. So what is going down, for example, what's labeled in letters is columns, what labeled in numbers is rows. So it stores large amount of data in rows and columns. Another thing is that it sort and filter information easily. It's easy for us to be able to sort and filter information in Excel and also maintain the structured and clean records. So that is for data organization. Another important is that it's also important in terms of data analysis and calculation. So there are several functions and formulas that are in Excel that help us to be able to analyze data in a more easier way. For example, you can be able to do the sum in Excel, you're able to do the average in Excel, you're able to do the if function, that is to make decision in Excel, and also the VLOOK. So that is in terms of data analysis and calculation. Also, another thing is data visualization. Data visualization. So Excel helps us to convert raw data into charts, graphs, dashboard. So those are the things that you can be able to create with Excel, among many others. And I'll give you another important is on decision making, which in this case we talk about the tools like pivot table, conditional formatting, what if analysis, that be able to make a decision based on some factors. Because, for example, we say that if the profit that we are making in that particular, let's say, quarter of the year is less below a particular threshold, then what can we do? Maybe we reduce on the production cost. So it be able to help us be able to make such kind of decision. Also, it's important in business and professional relevancy because of accounting, because of banking, data analysis, project management, and even supply chain management. And the last but not the least, time saving. It helps us save a lot of time. There's a lot of calculation. For example, if I have a record of 1,000 people, or let's say 1,000 records, I can be able to do a sum within a click of just a function in Excel. So it saves a lot of time in automation. All right, I know you've been waiting on this. Let's look into it as we move on. be able to see each and every aspect of what we have said and see how are we able to apply Excel in real life projects. All right, so thank you for joining today in this video. We will jump right into it and create your very fast Excel in the next video. So trust me, it is going to be simple, fun, and satisfying. Catch you in the next video. Let's make Excel amazing together. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I promise it will be fun. Thank you so much to this fun. See you next time.